by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Owsley County and southeastern Kentucky, northeastern Jackson County and southeastern Kentucky, southwestern Lee County and southeastern Kentucky, southern Estill County and east central Kentucky. Until midnight at 11:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Foxtown, or near McKee, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKee, New Zion, Juanita, Arbel, Pinnacle, Willershall, ND, Crestmont, Greyhawk, IDMA, Banford, Sandgap, Greenhall, Collingsworth, Drip Rock, Lakes, Blanton Flats, Macedonia, Yellow Rock, and Old Landing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Thursday for the following counties in Kentucky: Estill, Jackson, Lee, and Owsley.
This hazardous weather outlook